Hey everyone, this is Abby from FLUIX. If you're a PC gamer, chances are your CPU cooler might be boring, and you could really use more performance out of your gaming rig. Introducing a truly one-of-a-kind solution from FLUIX, the world's first multi-inlet water block, the FLUIX Tri-Swift. The Tri-Swift design has a high-flow configuration, with two dual inlets on each side of the water block, injecting turbulent flow onto the heatsink. This greatly increases the rate of heat transfer and performance. The center outlet efficiently exhausts the heated fluid out of the water block. Thermal throttling, you say? We never heard of it. Games, stream, design, and overclock endlessly with the FLUIX Tri-Swift. If you're interested in seeing this product out on the market, you can get $20 off the Tri-Swift by filling out our interest form. Go to fluixengineering.com/preorder and scroll down to get to the Get Notified button. Fill out your name, email, and make sure to opt into our newsletter, and you'll receive your $20 off coupon.